Hello, thyroid thrivers. I'm so excited to share today's roundup with you because if there's one thing I get asked all the time, it's how do I eat healthy without spending all day in the kitchen? And today's video is all about salads that boost your energy and not the sad, soggy kind that you dread eating. We're talking about colorful, nourishing, satisfying bowls of goodness that taste just as good as they make you feel. These are the 12 thyroid-friendly salads I keep coming back to. Many of them are fan favorites from the Hypothyroid Chef blog. They're packed with hormone-loving nutrients. They're free from gluten and dairy. Many of them are also paleo and AIP compliant too. And the best part is that all of these recipes are available for free on the Hypothyroid Chef blog. I've put all of them together in a salad recipe roundup, so you can find the link to that and get all the recipes for what you'll see in today's video in the description below. You'll hear about everything from zesty ginger chicken salad to sexy salmon salad with grapefruit and avocado to a tabbouleh salad made with quinoa and even a clean remake of that retro classic tuna macaroni salad. If you want to dial up your intake of daily phytonutrients, pack in more gut supporting fiber, and really maximize meals that maximize your energy, salads are a thyroid thriver's staple meal. And if you're tired of the same old boring salads, the colorful and flavor-packed recipes that I'm going to share with you today will help you break out of that salad rut and get excited about what's on your plate again. So grab your salad forks and let's dig in. All right, number one in our salad recipe roundup today is tropical chicken salad. This one's a carnival of textures and flavors. It's from guest chef Allison Maris, and it's tossed in an addictive cilantro lime vinaigrette. This one's colorful, fresh, gluten-free, dairy-free, paleo, and even AIP compliant. Next up is this rice salad with shrimp and avocado. This one's got crunchy cucumber, creamy avocado, and tossed together with rice. It all comes together with plump shrimp in this zippy rice wine vinaigrette that's light and satisfying and just perfect for a summer lunch. Number three is Vietnamese chicken salad. This has crisp greens, fresh herbs, crunchy macadamias, and a citrusy lime dressing. This is a paleo-friendly salad that's absolutely bursting with flavor and crunch, and it's one of those I can't believe this is healthy meals. All right, next up, avocado and grapefruit salad with broiled salmon. So this one's a sexy showstopper. Think wild salmon, creamy avocado, bright grapefruit, and this maple mustard vinaigrette that you're gonna wanna pour on everything. It's gluten-free, paleo, low carb, and loaded with healthy fats. Number five on our list is chive potato salad. Yes, potato salad can be thyroid friendly. This one's vegan and dairy free. It's got crunchy celery, sweet onion, and the secret ingredient in this one is plenty of tangy dill pickles for that classic deli style taste, only cleaner. All right, next up, salmon, sweet potato, and watercress salad with turmeric cream. This one is a gorgeous and healing combo from guest chef and AIP coach Kate J. It's fully AIP compliant and it's drizzled with this turmeric spiked coconut cream dressing that is anti-inflammatory and absolutely packed with flavor. Number seven on our list is Quinoa Tabbouleh. This one's a bright, fresh take on a Middle Eastern classic. It's loaded with parsley, mint, juicy tomatoes, cucumber, and lemony olive oil dressing. It pairs perfectly with my lemon dill chicken, so I highly recommend that combination if you want to give this salad a try. All right, next on the list is ginger basil chicken salad. This one's herby, aromatic, it's spiced with curry, and it's got a little extra pizzazz from that spicy ginger. Unlike traditional chicken salad, this one is anything but boring. It's great for meal prep and just a fun and refreshing twist on your standard lunch rotation. Number nine is Deluxe burger salad with special sauce. Who needs the bun? This salad brings all the flavor of a loaded burger plus all those delicious toppings: bacon, caramelized onions, avocado, tomato, pickle, and just like your favorite burger, it's drizzled in a crave-worthy special sauce. This one's super satisfying and it also happens to be paleo friendly. Salad number 10 is a retro throwback recipe, tuna macaroni salad. So this one's a cleaner remake of the classic. It uses gluten-free elbows, tender sweet peas, and low mercury tuna, all tossed in a tangy and slightly sweet dressing. So think comfort food vibes without the crash. Coming in at number 11 is our broth-poached chicken with summer tabbouleh. So this grain-free and AIP-friendly stunner from Kate J is made with cauliflower rice, asparagus, grapes, and tender poached chicken. It's light, flavorful, nutrient-rich, and it comes with built-in digestive qualities from that gorgeous purple radicchio. And last but not least, Thai beef salad. This fan favorite is bold and balanced, salty and sweet, sour and spicy. It's all thanks to the Nam Jim dressing. It's topped with juicy grilled steak and fresh herbs, and this one's so refreshing and an absolute flavor bomb. All right, I hope this recipe roundup got your mouth watering and your wheels turning and maybe helped you answer that never-ending question, what's for dinner tonight? All of these salads are proof that nutrient-dense, energizing, thyroid-friendly meals don't have to be boring. So whether you're eating gluten-free, dairy-free, paleo, AIP, low carb, or just looking for cleaner meals that boost your energy, these recipes can help you feel your best without sacrificing flavor. If you love today's salad ideas and want even more support in the kitchen, come join me inside the Thrivers Club. You'll get instant access to my full salad school workshop that comes with a printable mix and match salad guide, a private library of thyroid friendly recipes, weekly meal plans, and 17 other exclusive workshops, all designed to help you thrive. You can just click the link in the description below to get started. And hey, if you make any of these salads, be sure to tag me on socials at Hypothyroid Chef. I love to see what you're cooking up. All right, thanks so much for watching. I'm Ginny Mahar, your thyroid health and cooking coach, wishing you happy cooking, happy thriving, and the best of health. See you next time.